Hello YouTubers, and if you know what this screen is or if you're familiar with this, then you are a retro gamer. Welcome to the very first episode of Retro Gaming Geek. Welcome to the very first episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And if you're wondering what this is all about, well, it's actually two things that I've always really enjoyed. Hey geeks, and so the very first video that I uploaded to YouTube was on October 21st, 2013. And today is October 21st, 2023. So that is 10 years now of being here on YouTube. And then on October 21st, 2015, I uploaded my very first episode of Geek Outdoors, and it was the first time that I showed my face on camera. And so obviously, with that many years, I do have a lot of thoughts and things that I want to share with you today. So let's start off with my journey really quick. So the very first video I uploaded, I used this. This is my Sony CyberShot camera. It shot videos up to 720p, and the very first episode that I had was my Double Dragon review. I took this camera, put it on a tripod, and recorded it straight off my TV. Yeah, it was pretty high tech back then. And then I moved over to this. This is my Hisense Android tablet. I used this for a lot of the videos afterwards, and this is when I was just doing purely gaming videos, and I didn't show my face on any of these videos. And then my very first episode of Geek Outdoors was shot on this, the HTC One. And for many years, this was my main camera and editing studio in a lot of cases as well. And then eventually I got a quote unquote real camera with my Panasonic Lumix G85. Still love this camera. And right now I am using my Sony a7 IV full frame camera. So that is my journey in terms of what I use to actually create videos up to this point. And with all of this, well, let's just say it has been an adventure. And I think as anybody who is doing YouTube or takes a creative path, you kind of know that there's gonna be a lot of unknowns. And this is definitely true for me. And after having done this for 10 years, after doing thousands of videos, multiple channels, just going through a lot of ups and downs and changes, I do want to say that it has been a journey that has been well worth it. And I really, at the bottom of my heart, genuinely, as always, I want to thank all of you for being here on this journey with me. And also, hopefully, that this content, everything I'm creating, is helping you in some way, so that maybe you would take your own creative journey, or maybe it'll help you out in life in some small way. And that's really the message that I want to give with every one of these type of videos. It is something that has really, changed my life. I'll say that with every single video. And throughout this journey, you're gonna learn that it's not just about YouTube or being a creator. It's about this entire process, that you learn, your whole journey. And you probably heard this before, but the goal is not the most important thing. It's what you learn, how you grow and who you become throughout this journey, and also the people that you bring along with you. So those are some of my thoughts on being here for 10 years on YouTube, but more importantly, this entire creative journey. And I'll be honest with you, I really don't know where things are gonna head in the future, but I'm not gonna lie, it is scary not knowing where things are gonna turn out, but at the same time, that's what makes it exciting. That's what makes it an adventure that's really worth taking. And I can't tell you enough how grateful I am for all of you coming on this journey with me, but also sharing your own journeys as well. So if you had any thoughts on this, leave it in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another video.